Today's just going to be a quick video because I've had technical difficulties in my long drawn out meal prep video. I had some technical, I'll just put it like that. I did a meal prep for like half the week, and that's what I normally do. When I shop to eat for 7 days, and I normally will prep for like 4, and then I'll see how I feel, how I want to mix it up, and then I'll cook again like Wednesday or Thursday. So let's see what I did here. This is the leftover salad. I had half a head of lettuce, and I had half of an English cucumber and 2 Roma tomatoes left. I made a salad. And then I have 1 can of chickpeas left. I keep them in a jar like this, and then when I make my salad, I like to put chickpeas on there. This is half of the cantaloupe. It's still good. I haven't eaten my salsa yet. This was 95 cents, and these chickpeas were 50 cents. So I haven't eaten that yet. So let me show you what is done here. I'm kind of messy over here. Oh, and I still have one of these left, one of these mini guacamoles. And I think I'm going to put all of this in one pan. I had 2 of the sausages left. I put them in, I pan seared them and then roasted them the rest of the way in the oven. So I'll put them in there. And I want to thank everyone. I want to thank all of my current subscribers. I've gotten some new subscribers, and I appreciate you guys so much. And I want to welcome my current taste makers, you guys. I do these meal preps because I'm trying to reduce waste, save money, and just be more responsible. You know, I've always tried to keep track of my spending, but you know, I think it's very important now. You know, people are really hurting, and so I'm just trying to encourage you just to, you know, kind of plan out your meals a little bit, and you can save money. You can do this for $25 a week. Okay. So my last video I fried some potatoes. I had like some fried potatoes left. I had a half thing of bacon. And I had 6 eggs left. Excuse me. So I made a frittata. A frittata is like a big omelet or a quiche without a crust. And so it has crumbled bacon in there. A little bit of that cheese that I had, I put that on top. So this was just 6 eggs, probably 6 strips of bacon, and 2 cups of fried potatoes and onions. And this is good. And then I'll like sprinkle some of my salsa on top of here. Might even put some of that guacamole on there. Maybe I'll slice this up before we get done. Okay, now let me let this cool down. I'm just pulling out the 2 chicken legs that I had. But let me show you before that. This is also a refrigerator clean out meal. I had some penne. I had a half box of penne pasta, and I had that 1 block of cream cheese. And so I made this creamy pasta bake, and what I did is, you know, I boiled the pasta, and I had a can of cream of chicken soup, and I, you know, heated that up with a cup of water, added that block of cream cheese, put my pasta in there, seasoned it with Creole seasoning, and so I have a nice creamy pasta bake, and that thing is good there. Okay, let me put my frittata out here. We're going to put everything out. Frittata there, cheese bake here, and then last last but not least, here are the 2 chicken legs. I pan-seared them and then I roasted them off in the oven. So that's a lot of food. That's a lot of food. So I'm just going to go on and put those here in this pan and drizzle it with the pan drippings. And that is yummy food for the week. Got chicken, whole chicken legs, 2 more. This will last me more than 3 days. 2 sausages. Got my pasta bake. Got salad. We have and I have my chickpeas. I have and I'm just drinking water. I have my guacamole cups. I'll get 3 good salads out of that. And then here's my frittata. So let me cut the frittata open and see. I'm going to taste her. And guys, I also get a lot of, I get people asking me like, where did I get my knife set? Where do I get my, kitchenware? And just look in, you can look in my, like this is a Cuisinart. This is one of my favorite knife set. Comes with the paring knife and a smaller serrated knife. And everything that I use in my kitchen for work, as a caterer, and at home, I link in my description box. So just check the description box. Okay, so let me see, and that's the frittata. Has everything in it. Has the potatoes and fried potatoes and onions. Let's see how it tastes. I love that. Now you can eat this and have this for, breakfast. You can have this for like brunch. And definitely I'll get 6 good servings out of this. Let me try the pasta. This is mine, so I double dipped. Not double dipped, but I ate off of this. Nobody else is going to eat this. Hubby's doing low carb. That's good. That's dope. You can eat well. This is $30 a week. Over 7 days worth of food. So guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And don't hesitate to, if you like content like this, here at Tanya's Tasteful Table. Sorry, I'm eating, trying to talk and everything. Here at Tanya's Tasteful Table, we're all about living tastefully for less. Just because you're on a budget, you're watching your coins, doesn't mean you have to eat slop. Doesn't mean you have to live, on a lower level. You can still live very tastefully and be smart with your money. Okay, so that's what we're all about. All right, guys. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Follow me on Instagram at Tanya's Tasteful Table. And if you want any information on any of my the kitchenware that I like to use at work or at home, go and look in my description box. All right. Thank you so much, you guys. Bye. Bye, tastemakers. Bye, Mom. See everybody in my next video.